So let's look at small to medium scale heat generation. Solar panels generating hot water. A lot of people see these on buildings and don't really understand what's happening. Basically, the sun's radiation is heating a liquid, and that heat is then transferred, usually within your hot water tank, to your domestic hot water supply. Quite an effective way of generating energy for your home. On an average domestic situation, probably 40% of your annual needs could be generated of hot water by using solar. This can often be 100% in the summer and drop down significantly in the winter when there's less radiation. The ideal situation is where you have an obvious place where you can put the solar panels and they have the correct aspect of the sun. So it really needs a south-facing situation, either on a roof or in back end of a garden, or field or orchard. And it should be considered as a supplemental form of heat generation, backing up another form. Often when we're looking at our customer sites, they'll look at something like a biomass boiler backed up with solar heating. They won't run the biomass boiler in the summer because they're getting all the hot water they need from the solar panels, but in the winter when they require hot water for heating as well as domestic use, they'll run the boiler system as well. Effectively, the solar panels are free energy. There's a low carbon footprint just in the manufacture. And it's a well-proven technology with a lot of companies involved in this now. So it's constantly evolving and improving. The downside is it's quite expensive to install initially, and which leads to a long payback period. But if you're prepared for that, it is actually a good supplementary form of heating of water. So can you use it? Yes. As I said, as a supplementary form of heating. Ideal situations would be where you have a large need to produce hot water, such as for a swimming pool in the summer when the sun's obviously at its strongest. Campsites, it's a very applicable form of heating. Anywhere where people have a high volume of water production in the summer period.